Hi viewers, today we are going to learn how to copy text from image. So now let's go to our browser and launch Google and let's navigate to Google Drive. Okay, so let's click on it. Okay, so it will take us to our Google Drive where we will upload our image we want to copy the text from. Okay. So you can upload your image by right clicking the page and also going to the file upload and navigate to the place your image is and import it. Okay, so you wait for a while whilst your image is imported. Okay, so our image is there. So let's right click on the image and go to open with Google Docs. Okay, so we'll be using the Google Docs together with the Google Drive to copy text from image. So now our Google Docs have copied the text from the image. So as you can see, the image is at the top and the text is at the bottom. So from here you can even do your editing. So you can put anything there, you can edit the text. Okay, so you can copy text from PDF file, PNG, JPEG, any format it is. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Peace.